If using your iPhone on the go makes you feel queasy, Apple's new Vehicle Motion Cues is here to help. Activating Vehicle Motion Cues is super easy. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to Accessibility. Select Motion here. Tap Show Vehicle Motion Cues and choose one of the two options. On activates the features immediately. Automatic enables it only when your device detects that you are in a moving vehicle. Want quick access without digging through settings? Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Tap the plus icon. Select Add a control. Scroll down to Vision Accessibility and select Vehicle Motion Cues to add it. Adjust its position within the control center and tap anywhere outside to save the changes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.